What is ITIL certification and is it worth it? Anyone considering a career in IT service management may have wondered if ITIL certification is worth pursuing. In this video, we'll define what ITIL certification is and how it can benefit your career. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the ITIL? The Information Technology Infrastructure Library, ITIL for short, is a globally recognized framework of best practices for IT service management that focuses on aligning IT services with the needs of businesses and their customers. Earning an ITIL certification proves that you understand these best practices. It boosts your credibility and can help you grow professionally, whether you're new to IT or aiming for leadership roles. Levels of ITIL certification. Let's walk through the ITIL 4 certification structure, the latest version of the framework. ITIL Foundation introduces the key concepts, principles, and practices. ITIL Practice Manager is a modular certification that validates your skills in specific practice areas. ITIL Managing Professional is ideal for those managing IT projects and teams. ITIL Strategic Leader focuses on how IT drives business strategy. And ITIL Master demonstrates real-world applications of ITIL principles. ITIL certification requirements. How do you get certified? To begin, there are no prerequisites for the foundation level, but as you move up, you'll need to complete the previous level, attend accredited training courses or study independently, pass exams, accumulate credits, and gain real-world experience, especially at higher levels. It's a gradual journey, but a worthwhile one. Benefits of ITIL certification. Investing time and effort into ITIL certification grants you the following benefits: improved service delivery, career growth, boosted efficiency, and strategic alignment. Is ITIL certification worth it? That depends on your current role and where you want to go. Whether your organization uses ITIL practices, industry trends, your personal growth goals, and the return on your investment. Ultimately, if you're serious about IT service management, ITIL certification can be a game changer. It provides structure, strategy, and credibility that many employers value. For more information, check out our official blog post on ITIL certification linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.